Look at that. It's amazing, isn't it? 3 days of paddling. What could possibly go wrong? I thought I heard something. Maybe it's the man in the grey suit. What? That's what surfers call sharks. They're pretty timid usually. It's the big ones you have to worry about. Oh my God! That thing is stalking us. It's hunting us and it's not going to stop. We have to get to the island. There are kids in the water. Oh my God. Oh my God, it's coming. We have to get rid of it. So let's just kill it. We're gonna trap it in the net.